Hi all, welcome back to the Red Bird Shed. Happy New Year belated to all my followers and people who subscribe and people who watch this channel. Thanks for putting up with me for, well, this is the 15th season this year, so 15 years I started this channel. I don't know how many of you out there have been watching it right from the start, but who would have thought 15 years down the line I would still be making YouTube videos. When I first put my channel together back then, there was hardly anybody who was doing videos like this, especially about birds online. So I thought I'd give it a go, and here we are, say 15 years later. So a big thank you to everybody for watching the videos. I'm stuck on around 8,000 odd subscribers. I'd like to push it up to 10,000. I'm 70 next year, so there's something to aim for. I'd like to get up to 10,000 subscribers before I make 70, if I'm still around by then, who knows. So yeah, it's don't forget, it costs you nothing to subscribe. It's just following a person. It's free, you know, free to do so. So please go ahead and subscribe and try and support what I'm trying to do, my channel. Plus all the other people out there are producing plenty of great videos now. As I say, a lot of people doing it, and fair play to them. There's some really good, knowledgeable people out there making far better videos than I make. A lot more intuition of telling you how to do things more the modern way or their way. So yeah, so don't forget to go out and follow everybody else. Keep an eye out for Dave's Bird Room, because he's doing a getting to know them feature at the minute, where he's going videos with various other breeders around the country. I'm coming up in a few weeks time, so you'll probably learn a little bit more about me there. So yeah, go follow Dave's Bird Room, give him all the love, and say you might see a little bit about me. So I'll spin the camera around now and we'll have a quick... Where are they all gone? Oh, right. So yeah, going through the winter, cockbirds are in the top there still, all together in one long flight cage. They're singing away. All my birds have coming through the winter all right. At the minute I've not lost any. They're starting to come into condition a bit, because you know they do sing, especially first thing in the morning, or when the sun, like today, it's a really sunny day. The sun is streaming through the windows, so you can see how bright it is. It's quite warm in here today. What's the temperature? 15 degrees. No, sorry, 10 degrees in here today. It's been down around freezing for the last few weeks. I must admit I have put a little bit of heating set on the frost at 3 degrees. Not for the birds' benefits, but so much just to stop the water freezing up. But it only comes on when it dips below 3 degrees. It's not to keep the birds warm. They don't mind cold conditions. They're absolutely fine. And all the hens are in here. So yeah, got a nice few, some lovely hens. Busy pecking around. I've just cleaned them out this morning, so they're having a bit of a scavenge round to see what they can find on the floor. They're basically on normal plain, well, it's a good canary mix seed at the minute. They get once a week of giving them a bit of conditioning seed, and once a week they get a bit of watercress, which I get from a supermarket, pretty cheap. Give them a bit of that. The seem to like that. And then start of February I'll start to give them a bit of soft food, a bit of egg food, just once a week, and gradually build them up. I'm on natural light here. I don't give any artificial light at all. So the light coming through the shed windows and the warmth as it gradually picks up over the months will be what triggers them into breeding condition. And they'll probably go down end of May time, early April, somewhere around there. I don't normally put them down before then. I say I've got no artificial light. I'm not looking to extend the light. It costs money, and plus you know, a poor pensioner like me, I've got to watch the pennies. The birds will come into condition when they're ready, and they'll have a good season. Hopefully, they had a good season last year. So yeah, some nice birds in there. Budgies are down there. I don't know if you've heard them. I've got a new channel. I think it's called Budgies UK. I'm going to try breeding budgies. I've got 2 pairs. Never bred them before. Always loved budgies. Always got one in the house as a pet. So I thought I'd give it a go. Just a 2 pair, just for a bit of a lark, really. See how I go on. So yeah, there's another channel to go and watch if you want to do that. And if you want to, if I get enough people request it, I can also put a bit on this channel about them. So yeah, so please subscribe. I had a look on the stats. So there's 80% of people who watch my videos are not subscribed. So please go ahead and subscribe. Please push me up to 10,000 subscribers. I'm getting very close now to 3 million views. So that's 3 million over 3 years. So yeah, over 3 years. What am I? Over 15 years. So yeah, quite a lot of views, but subscribers are way down. So that's it for now. So as we start to get them into breeding condition and to start to pair up, I'll start to make more videos for the forthcoming breeding season. So that's it for now. I'll talk to you later. Bye.